to connect Spooky2 contact accessories. Hello, in this video, I will show you how to connect Spooky2 hand cylinders, TENS pads, TENS contact kit, and internal electrodes. First, let's connect the generator to computer using the USB cable. Then I connect the power adapter. Next, connect Spooky2 Boost to the generator. I twist the ports on the boost to lock the connection. Then I connect TENS cable to the high power port of the Spooky2 Boost. If you want to run a safe, low-power contact session, you can connect to the colloidal silver port. Now, I will show you how to connect Spooky2 hand cylinders. There are two kinds of hand cylinders: stainless hand cylinders and carbonized rubber hand cylinders. The connection of them is the same. We connect the TENS cable to the hand cylinders. You can see there is a hole in the hand cylinder, and you can use either color to connect them. The color doesn't matter. You hold the hand cylinders to receive frequencies. Next, I connect TENS pads. There is also a hole in the cable of TENS pads for the connection. You stick the pads on your body to receive frequencies. For TENS contact kit connection, I will take the silver gloves as an example. First, I attach the white cable to the glove, like this. Then you can use TENS cable to connect it. Color doesn't matter, and you can use either black or red. You can put on gloves like this to receive frequencies. For TENS Internal Electrodes, we recommend you use the safe lower power colloidal silver port. If you want more power, then you can use the high power port. There are two ways to connect TENS Internal Electrodes. The first is to connect both electrodes to the TENS cable. The treatment is between the electrodes. If you need more treatment area, you can use one cable to connect TENS Internal Electrode and the other to connect a TENS pad. We have a specialized preset for TENS Internal Electrode. Now, we turn on the generator. For example, I want to help with diarrhea, so I put on TENS pads on my belly. Then launch the Spooky2 software. I choose Shell Empty Presets, Contact, Healing, CJW. Go to the Programs tab to search Diarrhea program. Then go to the Control tab, click Override Generator, and choose a generator to run them. Okay, thanks for watching this video.